So you like woodworking? Same here. And yes, you are right in this spot on my channel. We are Mission Wood and share the same passion. But there are many similar channels out there. What is so special about what we are dealing with? First of all, we are building modern style furniture on a very high level of quality. And I mean craftsmanship and material. The target level is nothing less than professional. But I leave it up to you if we are always meeting this high target. Next, we realize our projects with just some hand tools in a corner of a double garage. No, that does not need to be a contradiction. We fill the gap with passion, ingenuity and love for detail. So this is a message for you. There's no need for you to wait with woodworking until you won in the lottery and can pay for a big workshop and many tools. You can play with the big boys and girls. You can do that right away now. Follow me and I will show you how. I show you some of my projects from before or after starting this channel. So I leave it up to you if that is what you are interested in. I'm a traveler between two worlds. I have a pretty nice workshop, but not where I'm living at the moment. So therefore I'm working with what I have access to. That is like starting from nothing, similar to someone who is starting brand new with woodworking. But since I have quite some years of experience, I can share with you how to play with the big boys and girls and achieve really good results. Important, fun and enjoying this hobby is priority. You will find me woodworking in the morning sun with a real good cup of coffee or late at night when the heat of the day is releasing. That is pure pleasure, and in my videos I want to share this passion with you. On the other side, one video per week is just not doable in this setup. So please forgive me for not being as fast as other professional channels can be. One last thing, you will see two categories of videos on my channel. Real woodworking projects and some smaller videos with tips and tricks. All is said, I hope you enjoy the videos in this channel and follow me through many interesting projects. Stay tuned.